Many tools are available for property dealers in the Easy Property Dealer app. For tools, just press on the tools icon. We have the basic calculator. Basic calculator lets you calculate your daily calculations, just like a normal calculator. Here you can multiply anything. With the basic calculator, we also have an area unit converter. With the help of area unit converter, we can easily convert value from one unit to another. If I write 5, I will have an idea of how many canals, square inches, square yards are formed against 5 molar. So if I select 5 canals, we can find out different conversions against 5 canals. If we want to calculate the area of a single shape, we can go to the area calculator. In the area calculator, we can calculate the area of a single shape. As is the square, we can give the sides of the square here. If it's 5, it will calculate the area of the square. Similarly, we can select any shape from here and its area can be calculated from here. The best tool that Easy Property Dealer has brought to you is the Advanced Area Calculator. With the help of Advanced Area Calculator, you can find out the area of any property. Take one of your properties, divide this property into basic shapes, find out the area one by one of these basic shapes. So first we add a new shape here. These 25 units can be feet or any unit in which you are calculating. Write a hint you want, press on the tick icon to add a shape. So far we have calculated the area of a shape, that is 100 square unit. One of the new shape you are adding is triangle. Provide base value here, provide high value, press the calculate button. This triangle area is calculated. The area of triangle can also be added by clicking on the tick button. Meanwhile, let's calculate the area of another shape. We can also add another shape here. Its value is 10. In this way, I can calculate as many shapes as I want and add them. The value of the shape will be total and I will get the total area. All you have to do is capture the shapes of property, divide it into smaller shapes and calculate the area of each shape and add it. You will see the total area.